Hi Ashung, I'm Ling, and I know you're going to produce one video called Stay Safe During COVID-19. Before you're going to shoot for your video, there are four production process you have to consider before you start shooting for your video. So the first one is development, second pre-production, third production, and last one is post-production. So development actually is a creation, writing, organizing, and planning stage of a project. So in development phases, preliminary budget will be made, key cases are attached, key creatives are chosen, main location scouted, a multiple script draft will be written also. So preliminary budget is actually like you have to think of which aspect you will use money. So for example, maybe you want to book for the location, you need money. You tag the actor, maybe you need to pay the money. So there are more aspects that you have to think of. Okay, so you have to think of which aspect you need budget. So out of this budget is you will think, and then you will write down maybe like the draft cost of the budget that you need. Okay, so the second one is key case. So actually it means like your actor, which actor you wanted to use. For example, okay, my main actor will be a boy, maybe my main actor will be two boy, for example. Okay, so next one is key creativers. Okay, your creation, okay, your creation of your video. And the next one is main location scouted. Like, okay, for example, my scene one will be tagged in restaurant, my scene two will be tagged at home. Okay, how they follow the SOP, how they follow, how they stay safe well during COVID-19. So producer here in the long phases, they will think, okay, how we start and then how we end. Okay, they will think first, and the writer will write down the script draft. Okay, next one is pre-production. Pre-production is the work done on the product, especially a film or broadcast program before full-scale production begins. So in pre-production phases, scripts are amended like the script draft you already correct. Okay, this sentence cannot be used. Maybe okay, this sentence need to add more feelings. Okay, so the budget are adjusted. Before this, you are only think, okay, maybe we pay for the actor maybe like for example 1,000, but in pre-production you have to already the budget you have to already adjust it. Like, okay, one actor will be 100 only, every actor will be 100. So in pre-production you already adjust for the budget. And then next one is actors are case. Location scout, you already sure, okay, I want to see one tag in restaurant. Okay, shooting schedule amended. Like, okay, for example, we will start the shooting on January. Okay, so all of your teams will start the shooting on January. All of the shooting will start from January until what time? So it will be so the schedule you have to already set up when you are in pre-production phases. Okay, next one is set, design, and build. For example, your scene one is in restaurant, so how you going to design your background of your restaurant, where you to put the table, where you put the chair. Okay, so custom made and fitters, like the clothes of the maybe like the actor. Okay, so everything to do with the shoot is planned and already tasted. So next one is production. The action of making or manufacturing from components or raw materials, or the process of being so manufactured. So during the production of a video, things get real. Okay, this is when a producer's ability to take things from the theory to practice is truly tasted. So video producer, this phase involves being on site to set up the equipment such as a lighting equipment to capture the perfect shoot the video and gather all the necessary raw material which will be edited later and record voice overs if necessary. So actually in production phases is where the shooting started, all the actual shooting started. So in production phases you have to be careful, like for example, like maybe like the lighting, maybe if it is not enough, the lighting is not enough lightness, okay, you have to adjust and then re-record again. So in production is where you actual shooting for your video, okay. So last one will be post-production. So post-production is actually the work that is done on a film or recording after filming or recording has taken place. So reviewing raw material to ensure that the content included in the final report pieced together perfectly. Like for example, like scene one wanna go to scene two, is it the flow is smooth or not? So the next one is selecting music for the video, okay. So you have to consider like the background music have to be suitable with your scene in your video. Like while the video is presenting, the background music while the background music is played, is it suitable or not? Is it give emotional to your viewer or not? You have to consider it. So last one will be editing footage to capture the correct lighting and video editing as prescribed. So that's all from me, Achung. I hope you success in produce your video, and that's all from me. Bye.